guys, welcome back to my channel, Simply AlRitch here. This is just a quick video to show you on how to easily spot a scam email. So recently, we've been receiving a lot of scam emails, especially for GCash. So I'm going to show you an example. Like I'm going to search here. Today, I just received a new scam email. So this one, it says that your GCash has been frozen. How to easily spot that it is a scam email? If you go to the sender, this is the sender, GCash at servicegcash.com. Okay, I'm going to click the drop down. This one. This is not the uh, correct website of GCash. Uh, this is not a working website. As you can see, the site can't be reached. So from that alone, you can easily spot that email is not coming from GCash. I will show you the correct email from GCash. So for example, this one. This is for the payment I made for the water bill payment. So no reply, bills pay at gcash.com. So this is the domain or the website of GCash. If you visit that one, go to GCash. So the email is coming from the GCash company really. So it's the correct email. So from that alone, you will know that uh, the email is a scam email. Most likely, the email will ask you to enter something like for this one. If you click that one, it will perhaps ask you uh, to enter your OTP number or something that will steal your money soon or get your account. So do not ever click that one. And you will also notice that like this one, the address 101 Skylar, the content is really suspicious too. Another one that I will show you, your GCash has been frozen. Here's another one that I received. This one, we're now deactivating your account if we don't hear from you. Another thing that you will see that the content is not properly displayed and there are grammatical errors. Check out this this section here. So it's not well the content is well not edited or well not displayed well. Okay, the email is coming from gcash.io. So this is not the legitimate website of GCash. Let's try to view that one. Okay, as you can see, the domain name is not correct. So it's redirecting to another website. So they are like there is a must. So must they are not using the correct domain or website. They are using other website. And this one, GCash support, you can just name your email to that one. GCash, you can rename. This is easily renamed, but this one you can easily know by the domain name gcash.io. There is another one that I received. Let me show you. GCash. Okay, I'm going to search where it says that I have to claim a reward 3,000. Let me show you. This one. Okay. Okay. Take a look at the content. This is not how GCash display their content. You have to time that you may not claim your reward. So be careful of that one, guys. So it says no reply at gcashpills.io. Click on that one. It's okay. The site can't be reached. So that is really fishy. Okay, that's one. So that's how easy to spot scam emails, guys. Make sure to check the sender's email address. So for example, this one, Globe Collaborate. I'm going to show you that this is a legitimate email. Okay, this is really from the Globe Collaborate website. As you can see, it goes to their correct website, Globe Collaborate Hub. Okay, that's one. So it has a globe logo and it is a secure site. When you see like a lock icon, it is a secure site. Okay, let's go to GCash. Gcash.com has a secure site. Okay, what else? Yeah, so that's how easy it is, guys. I'm going to give you another example. Okay. Okay, here's another one. Intellifluence. So it will come from their main domain or domain. Okay, intellifluence.com. Go to that link. So it is a secure site. Okay, so that's how easy to spot the email that is coming from. So you will know if it is a scam email, if the sender's email address is not coming from the legitimate website or the legitimate company name. So that's it, guys. Feel free to comment below if you have any further questions or concerns. Thank you. Bye. Be careful of scammers. Don't you ever share your OTP. OTP or the one-time password that is sent to your phone number. You should only have that one. Okay? Bye. That's it, guys.